Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys. This is PJ. So inside this particular video, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and do well to like and share our video. So inside this particular channel, as we all know, that we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index and step index. As we can see, this is boom 150 index. This is boom 150 index on 5-minute time frames. So this is another powerful indicator, guys, that you will be very interesting, because this particular indicator works 98% accurate. This particular indicator work 98 to 99% accurate. So what you just need to do is to understand how this particular indicator works, so that you will not have issue when you are using this particular indicator. So as we can see, this is our first window. We can see that we have our trend here, and we can see this second indicator window, which is our signal for heat. So we use this one to indicate our trend, and we use this one to take our signal. So what we do is this: if you see this particular trend now, you will see that the market respects it based on the trend. But what happened that is that the arrow is always shifting. It shifts little bit, and that's why we have the second indicator here, and this is a permanent indicator. So as we can see here now, I enter a particular trade at this level, and the reason why I enter this particular trade, before this our first indicator move to this particular area, we have an uptrend here. We have an arrow indicates an uptrend here, and that's why I enter the trade. So we can see that there is a light circle signal here that show the first one, which is going to be somewhere here, and we see the second one here. We have the second one around this area, and we see the third one around this area. We can see that. So we have a 3 signal before the trend completely respect that particular zone. So that's why that's why you also need a little amount to risk before taking a profit. So we can see what happened here: the first one, the second one, the third one, and we can see it's from here it's starting taking on a big profit. So all the trade that you will have opened at this level, when you have this, it will have covered it in profits, and massive profit again. So once you open your trade, when your signal go below the 2 parallel line that you see here, and give you a accurate signal, this will be your entry level, and this particular one, which indicates another yellow in the signal here, will be our close profit, will be our take profit. I mean, this particular level will be our take profit. But I did not take a profit here. I wait a little bit. Maybe there's going to be probability of moving of an uptrend. But we can see that it's moved down a little bit before taking an uptrend. We can see that. But I decided to close my trade at this particular area. So I decided to close that particular trade here, when I can see that maybe don't let me wait too long. Maybe I'm too busy for the day. I've decided to wait. I take my profit from this level, but we can see that it is the best accurate for us to wait for long, and it is going to be on a massive trend. You can see that. So you can decide to take profit one at this particular area, or you decided to wait till you have your trend complete on your first indicator, which completes on this particular level. You can see it's complete around there before showing us a downtrend. But the reason why I did not take this particular downtrend is because I did not have a signal for it. I did not have a signal for it, and that's why I did not take it. The signal supposed to come along with this particular trend, along with this particular one. Like what happened here, we can see an uptrend, we can see an uptrend here. We can see that they go the same line, they are on the same line, and that's why we have another entry moving on the uptrend at this particular level. So my take profit now is when there is going to be a yellow signal at this particular area, but yet we don't have any yellow signal. So I still believe that this particular trend is still moving on the uptrend for the day. I still believe that. But you can decide to take your profit at any level if you wish you want to take your profit. So this is how powerful this particular indicator works. This is how powerful and how smart this particular indicator works. So we can see when the trend move from this particular down to this particular downtrend, we can see our arrow begin to indicate to us around this particular area. This arrow that you see here begin to show up around this particular area, and that's why we need our signal. So the first signal show up here, and we can mark this particular area as our entry, first entry. Now the first entry move, and we have a pullback. Now the pullback make it in the in a little bit before it respects another signal, before another signal appear. So you can see another signal that appear here, and it begin to move on the on the uptrend. You can see that. So that is how this particular strategy works. It is very powerful, and it's help you to to go long in the market and to make a massive profit, guys. So this is how this particular indicator works. So you can also get this particular indicator. All what you need to do is to click on the description of my video. You are going to see my Telegram group there, and you are going to see my Telegram link there. So you can reach me and you can get access to this particular indicator. This indicator is not for free. It's not for free. So you just need to click it and enter my DM, and I'm going to respond to you as you want. So that is how this powerful indicator works. And also I will be making a lot of video on this particular indicator, on how powerful it is and how it has been helping me to make a lot of daily profits using this particular strategy time to time. So thanks, guys. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and do well to like and share, and also help us to comment what's your own thoughts on this particular indicator. Thanks, guys. See you guys on our next video.